Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to virus scan on your Xiaomi Mi 9. This operation is helpful if you have a lack of your phone or if you suppose that you have a virus in your phone. So to do this, just press it here and check the security scan here. I agree. Okay. As you see, I have one risk now. System update. All is cleaner, auto start apps and battery is okay. So in my case, I don't have virus on Trojan. I need only to actualization and update our system. Anyway, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!